When chatting, it took me a while grinding with this stupid damage protector. Let's go roll. Sure. Please. Good. Wish me luck. Okay. Wait. Wait. Let's go. Okay. Please, it took me a while. I need magical fruit. Not Sprite. Okay. You know what? This is the last day now. If we get another commons, I'll deleting my chat. I'll deleting this. I'm gonna reset all of this stuff. Dude, it took me a while, but keep giving me. You know what? I'm hungry. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. About this land, about this spice fruit. About this spice fruit. You know this? You know this? You know spike? You know spike? I'm gonna screw this. If we get one like, I'll eat this stupid spike fruit. Okay. I'll eat this stupid spike fruit. Okay. Okay. Stay with me. Okay. Okay. I hope I need more luck for this thing. I didn't use the sunglasses. Good. If you like this button and subscribe, you will get a mythical fruit. But if not, you have bad luck. Bye.